Once upon a time, a prestigious art gallery announced a grand contest, seeking the world's most beautiful painting that captured the essence of peace. The prize was a staggering $10 million, a sum that attracted thousands of painters from across the globe. As entries poured in, the judges meticulously reviewed each submission, narrowing down the vast collection to a mere 100 finalists. These chosen artworks were displayed in a grand exhibition, drawing crowds of eager spectators, including the participating artists and a swarm of media personnel. The anticipation was palpable, as everyone was eager to witness the masterpiece that would claim the grand prize. The exhibition showcased a breathtaking array of paintings, each vying for the coveted title. Some depicted serene landscapes with crystal-clear rivers meandering through snow-capped mountains, while others portrayed tranquil moonlit lakes, their still surfaces reflecting the star-studded sky. There were paintings of lush meadows under clear blue skies, dotted with fluffy white clouds, each scene evoking a sense of tranquility and harmony. The judges faced a daunting task as each painting presented its unique interpretation of peace. After much deliberation, they finally reached a consensus, selecting one painting that stood out from the rest. The moment of revelation arrived as a grand curtain was drawn back, revealing the winning masterpiece. A collective gasp swept through the crowd as they laid eyes on the painting. Confusion and disbelief filled the air as the painting seemed to contradict the very essence of peace. Amidst the murmurs of astonishment, a group of perplexed artists approached the art gallery owner, questioning whether a mistake had been made. The owner, with a knowing smile, assured them that the painting was indeed the rightful winner. This declaration sparked an uproar as the artists expressed their disbelief and indignation. The media, sensing a brewing controversy, swarmed the owner, microphones poised to capture his explanation. The owner, unfazed by the commotion, calmly addressed the crowd, urging them to examine the painting more closely. He explained that while the painting depicted a scene of chaos and turmoil, a raging thunderstorm, dark clouds, and windswept landscapes, there was a crucial element that had been overlooked. He directed their attention to a small house nestled within the painting, with a tiny window revealing a solitary figure. Upon closer inspection, the figure's expression was not one of fear or distress, but rather a serene smile, radiating calmness and tranquility. The owner explained that this was the true essence of peace, an inner serenity that remained unperturbed by external circumstances. A person could be surrounded by chaos yet still find peace within themselves. Conversely, even in the most idyllic surroundings, inner turmoil could disrupt one's peace. The crowd, absorbing the owner's words, began to understand the profound message conveyed by the winning painting. True peace was not about external conditions, but rather an inner state of being, a resilience that could weather any storm. The art gallery owner's insightful message resonated deeply with the audience, leaving a lasting impression on the true meaning of peace. A tranquility that emanates from within, unshakable by the storms of life.
If you enjoyed this story and want more tales that teach valuable life lessons while improving your English, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of language enthusiasts here at English Fable Hub. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep enjoying the magic of storytelling with us. Thanks for watching.